It's time to spook your world. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today I have a special guest.
Hi!
Rachel! We have done so many collabs together. Talk about nothing. We talk about everything but the episode. But, like, it's fun. It's Halloween!
Spooky.
Well, I mean, it's not Halloween. Not yet. But it's Halloween season. Just the whole month of October. Like, the whole month, spook.
You're right.
I mean, just like spook.
Hold on to your dookie. It's about to get spooky.
For our first tag, we have picture frame lanterns. These are actually picture frames that we just tape the sides of, and now they're collapsible. So like when Halloween's over, you know what I mean? You just go.
Or if you decide you only like
Storage,
2 of the
you know what I mean?
pictures.
Exactly. Or if you want to like line them along something, you can just go like that.
Look how sassy this one is. Hello?
I like
Excuse me. Trying to die here. Excuse me.
I learned about how to get a heart attack in bio.
How to get one?
Well, how it happens.
Oh, okay. I was
Yeah.
like, why do you want it? Okay.
You know, like those like videos that are like, now his body is going into shock.
Yeah,
if he doesn't
yeah,
get
yeah.
treated in like 5 seconds, he will die.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
just get treated, Dave. Like, get out of the car. Like, what are you doing? And he was like, I'm fine.
It's Dave's choice to not get treated.
No, I was like, that's literally Dave's. Like,
this is
5
Dave,
seconds later.
and this is Dave's hand refusing treatment.
He's like,
No thanks.
well,
What are these?
for this DIY, you'll need picture frames, white vellum paper, a paint pen, and LED lights. Trace the print onto a piece of vellum paper so it'll fit your frame. Cover the back with tape and insert it into the frame. Connect the frames to one another so they fit around the LED light. Turn it on and spook up the whole room.
This feels special, like I'm holding a
I
fairy.
know.
I'm Tony Stark or something.
Guess what this paper is?
Paper.
Well, it's vellum paper. Guess what it's made out of?
Paper. Trees.
Calf skin.
Calf skin. Why?
I don't know. I guess it's kind of good. Like, if you're gonna kill a calf,
Yeah.
you're not gonna just use it for its meat. You gotta use
No.
it for the whole enchilada.
That's
You know what I mean?
actually
like you gotta
really
use
true.
the horns. You gotta use the hooves.
Yeah, and now paper.
We're definitely not vegans. I'm sorry.
No. I love to eat meat. And also love to draw on it.
Let's make them all red, because that's
Ooh.
spoopy.
That is spoopy.
Why are you giving it this t-shirt?
I was trying to make it fun. They also make really good ASMR.
You just gotta made it weird. You just
Yeah,
made it
I
so
definitely
weird.
made it weird.
And for our second hack, we have spooky soap. Can you see?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my god, fun.
Aw, it's legs.
Wait, I want to get a prettier one. None of these are pretty. They're just spoopy.
Yeah.
But like literally, it's soap, and you just put some creepy parts in it.
You just put some little spooky
just put,
doos
like,
in it.
Spooky doos. We got some eyeballs and
Spiders.
Spiders. Fun. Lights. Yes. Best angle. And then these kind of all sank to the bottom. Here we go. We got to do the light. That's how you get to see the.
I want to see it.
Oh.
Wow. I think this one's my favorite.
I like this one because there's just a head.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a head.
And it's also upside down. So like fun. Get ready to hack some spooky soaps.
Ooh, too spooky for me.
For this DIY, you'll need a skewer, liquid hand soap, and spooky Halloween figures. First, remove the labels from the soap. Then add your spooky figures into the soap. You can move them around with the skewer. Now replace the pump. And that's it. Scary fast, huh? I love to keep saying spooky instead of just scary.
Spooky.
I feel like spooky is like the fun way.
It's because this is the internet. I don't think the
Or
internet.
like, I don't think anyone ever says ghoul.
Ghoul?
Yeah. No one says ghoul.
What do
Unless
they
it's like
say
a ghoulish
instead?
surprise. Unless you're like that person, you know what I mean? Like,
Do you often
in like
say-
a haunted house. I never say ghoul.
Do you often
I
say
said
it was a ghoulish surprise? I think something
what is
literally died in there. What is
Wait, why is he blue?
Well, abadi abadi.
And for our last hack, we have creepy mini pumpkins. They're supposed to be creepy, but they're actually kind of cute.
They're really
in my opinion,
cute.
because they're so small.
They're
like,
really
everything
cute.
mini is adorable.
That's true.
And also these vampire teeth, I think this one's glow in the dark. They're just like the fake ones that taste really bad and they cut up your teeth if you wear them too long.
As opposed to the real vampire teeth. They're out there.
Like you could use actual pumpkins, but this way you can like keep them forever. Have you smelled a dying pumpkin?
I've picked up a pumpkin before and the bottom of it fell out.
Oh my gosh, I literally like 2 years ago, I decorated my like room with like just real pumpkins everywhere. I was into the natural vibe.
What?
I left them there till June. And my room, woo, so bad.
Did you just walk in and you're like, this is fine? That's why you don't put anything living
Because
in
they
your
looked
room.
fine on the outside because I didn't like carve them or anything.
Yeah.
But when you pick them up, it was like
Stinktown, USA. Population Goldie.
And also like I sprayed a lot of Febreze. I don't know why. So basically rotting is all the living cells that die and then begin to break down because bacteria eats them.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's why it smells, because the bacteria eats it and then they let off a gas. You know, armpit sweat doesn't actually smell, but the bacteria on your skin makes it smell because the bacteria eats it.
That's like real yucky.
And then it like produces that disgusting
That's
scent.
very yucky. I love science.
Science, Goldie, the science girl. Oh my God, we're full of fun facts
We're
today.
full of spooky fun facts.
I love dropping knowledge that no one wants. For this DIY, you're gonna need some mini pumpkins, plastic vampire teeth, and map tacks. First, measure your teeth and scoop out the pumpkins so they fit. Insert the teeth and secure with hot glue. Add tacks for the eyes. Major mini creeps. I lost an eye.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, that's bad
And
because
it's
it's
sharp.
it's a sharp one.
Mom?
Oh. Mom, I'm scared. Please pick me up.
Find the eye. Watch it bleed my hair.
You're fine. Ha, you're fine.
What is it called where they have one eye? Cyclops. It's gonna be
Yeah.
Cyclops.
Nice, I like
We're just
that.
gonna move the eye.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
Or unique. Look at that. That's even more scary.
That's really cute
Cyclops?
and spooky.
Yeah. And that is it for Halloween room decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And comment down below what your favorite was. I think mine was definitely the creepy little mini pumpkins because
too.
you can save these forever and they're just so cute.
And if you name them, it's like they're your children.
Yeah. If
Oh,
someone-
I found the eyeball.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, we're so blind.
Oh, here, try these on.
Bomb. Okay, I'm not that blind. Woo!
Yeah, no, I know it's bad.
I can't.
I know.
Can you see anything?
No, never.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We're gonna be celebrating Halloween the whole month with episodes every Friday, Saturday. And thank you so much for being on my channel.
Thank you for having
Again.
me.
How many times have we clapped?
A million.
Literally a million times.
Literally
3 times.
A
Just
million and 3 times. I'm excited for all your Halloween. You know I love spooky doos. And
Spooky doos.
I'm gonna take these.
Yeah, I mean, I made way too many of them. Okay, just roll out of frame. And that is all I have for you guys today. GoldieBlox
And Rachel.
signing off. Bye. Oh my God, we're so
Yeah.
If you like that, hit subscribe. There's plenty more DIYs coming your way every Friday.